So come with me as we create a YouTube banner. Okay, so you head on to Canva and then you click on templates and then you type in YouTube banner. Okay, YouTube banner, and then you see a lot of banners will show from the template. So you just look at the one that you like. There are some that have a space for you to put your photo. Like the second one, you see that it doesn't have any photo on it. It's just text. Yeah. So you just look at them and see the one that you want. Okay. So for us, for now, let's see. We're going to choose this one that does not have a photo. Okay. So let's edit it. I'm going to teach you how you're going to edit this text and write your channel name or what you do. Yeah, so we have erased that one. You click on, you just highlight on the text and then you delete, and then you begin to write your own name of the channel, the name of your channel. So like this, my daughter's YouTube banner that we're creating, her name is Mercy Dome Joy. Yeah, so I've written Mercy Dome Joy. By the way, guys, you will love to go and check her out and see what she does. She does amazing AI videos. If you want to learn, you're in the right place. Okay, just leave a comment and we will put you through. So I've written Macedom Joy AI videos. Yeah, but I just want to make it funky, because on her AI videos you see her writing MDJ AI videos. So I've erased it and written MDJ AI videos. Yeah, so now we're done. So that's how to edit the text on that particular template. Okay, so you can also scroll down and see to choose anyone that you like. There are many templates. However, the one you see with a crown, a yellow crown, don't click on that one because it will ask you to pay. So make use of the templates that don't have this yellow crown on them. Okay, yeah, so we have edited that one that is just text. Now let's scroll down more to see. You can choose a lot of options. Keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So let's see, let's edit the one that has a photo. Okay, so that will teach you how to edit that one as well. So you like to click on the photo on that template. You just click on it and it will highlight, and once you highlight, it will take you to your gallery. Okay, so you choose the photo that you want to put on your banner, and mind you, let it represent what you do. If you do AI videos, let it be AI banner. Put an AI photo there, though it's your choice anyway, but we advise, if you want to really get engagement on your page or on your channel, you should choose a photo that represents what you do. Okay, so I'm looking for a photo that I'll put there. I'm scrolling. I want to put this AI but you can put any photo that you like. Okay, so I'm looking. Okay, let me just use that one. It's just for an example. Okay, I hope you are following me. If you don't understand, you can play it back and watch. Okay, or if you have a question that I've not explained here, you can put it in the comment section. So I've put my picture and I've head on to the other box. You just, anything you want to change, just highlight on what you want to change. They will give you space to delete what is already there and put yours. So she does AI videos. I've put AI videos there, and this other text, I don't like it. I want to put it, her channel name, I've highlighted on it, cleaned what is there and write MDJ. On this other side, I also highlighted it, I deleted what is there and I wrote AI videos. You can see that it's too long, so I'm going to click on font. If you look down, you see font. So I'll highlight that AI videos and then come to font size and reduce the font, the size of the font, because it was too large. So now you can see that the size is okay. So you can maneuver and play with the tools however you want. Okay, you can also change the font choose the font that you like. Excuse me. Now choose the font that you like. Look at this one, is very bold. Anybody looking at it can see it. You don't need to strain their eyes. So I will choose it. I've discovered that it's too large. I will still go to font size and reduce the size. Everything is down here. All these things are here. These tools, you make use of it. I'll go this side, also change the font. If you like this font, you maintain it. If you don't like it, you change it. Okay, just play with the tools however you want. The subscribe now is good, so I'm not going to touch it. Okay, yeah, so that's that. You just click on download and your YouTube banner is already downloading, and once it downloads, it's going to be in your gallery. Okay, yes, save to gallery. Yes, guys. So now we're going to head on to YouTube and click on the channel that you want to edit the banner. For now, I'm using my channel, okay, because I don't have access to her own YouTube channel, so I'm using my own YouTube channel as an example to teach you. So I'll click on my channel, go to edit channel, and I'll click on that camera sign by the right. I'll click on it, and it will open and say take me to my gallery. Take a photo or choose from gallery. I'm going to choose from gallery. I've clicked on that, our banner that we created in Canva, and I will now use my fingers on my screen and zoom it in. Yeah, zoom it in and make sure it's on all devices. Just click your hand on all devices, zoom it in, and that's just it. You click on save. It's already saved, so it's saving. Yeah, now we have a YouTube banner. When someone does not see it very well, they will just click on your banner and then they will see the full banner. Okay, yeah. So by the way, my channel name is Matilda's Corner. You can go there to subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah. So I'll head on back to Canva and choose that template that has a photo and edit it, because I don't do AI videos, so I need to create my own banner to put, because the one I put there, I deleted it, right? So I have to put another banner. So I'll head on back to Canva and change this photo. I'll put the photo because I coach people. I'm a relationship coach. I coach people about marriage, singles, who to marry, and that's my daughter there. Hey, as I was recording this video, one of her videos just popped up. Yeah, so I have put my photo there in the middle. I'm going to go to crop and crop my face to show, because right now my face is not showing. So you go to crop and crop it and keep it where you want. Yeah, so you just need to be used to it. After this class, keep practicing Canva and know how to use the tools. If you don't know, ask me and I will teach you. Okay, so I've cropped the photo. There is there. I love it the way it is. And I'm also going to edit NDG and write relationship coach, because that's what I stand for. That's what I represent. I coach singles on whom to marry. I coach married people on how to do their marriage well. So I'm a relationship coach. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and write relationship coach. It's too large, so I'm going to go to font size and reduce the size. Perfect. Yeah. Reduce the size like so. Adjust it very well. I'll also head on to this side where they wrote AI videos and clean it and write my channel name. My channel name is Matilda's Corner. I'll write Matilda's Corner. Delete this S. I'll write Matilda's Corner. So go and subscribe to my channel. And even on this one that you're watching, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, and also share. Now I'll reduce the size, font size. Perfect. Perfect. I hope you're following me. Yep. So another thing is I want to change my skin color. Okay. but I will show you that when I delete. I'm going to delete that other space up there. I don't have anything to write there, so you can delete anything you want to delete if you don't have use for it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this particular box because I don't have use for it. So I'm going to highlight on it and just delete it. If you have questions, put it in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that box above my head and click on delete. It's deleted because I don't need it. The subscribe now can remain because it's important that people remember to subscribe, right? Yes, guys, when you're creating your videos, remember to put subscribe because some people watch and forget to subscribe. Yeah, so always remember to remind people at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of your video that they should subscribe to your channel. So I'm going to head on to my photo because I want to change my skin color. I click on filters. I always love to use warm. So on that warm, either Bali or Capri I use, but I'm going to zoom my photo so that I can see very well because it's too far from me. I'm not able to see what the skin I'm changing. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom it a bit to be able to see clearly, like so. Yeah, this is Bali, this is Capri. Which should I go for? Yeah, what should I go for? Let's see. 1 minute. Yeah, it's perfect. This one I'm going for. I'll zoom it back in. I'll bring the circle to fit properly, like so. The text is overlapping the photo, so I'm going to adjust it this side and that side to make it to stand well. Perfect. I think I like it now. The way it is okay for me. I will just click on download and then that's just it. I'll see adjusting it because the text is not aligning right. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Is it okay? I think so. Just use the tools however you want. Okay. I'm downloading it. Once it's downloaded, it's to save in my gallery. It's downloading. Done. It's saved to my gallery. So I will head on to my YouTube channel and go ahead and change the banner. Okay, that's my YouTube channel. I'll click on edit channel. It will take me to my profile. Click on that right camera there to take me to my gallery, and I'll click on the particular banner that we've created. Well, I'm always calling thumbnail. I'll click on the banner, use my fingers to zoom it in, and click on all devices so that any device that somebody is using to watch it will appear okay, and then I will save. Okay, yeah, and then I will save. Wait a minute, it will reflect now. Voila, my banner is there. Yes, guys, so that's that about that. Let me know if you understand the class. If you don't, put it in the comment section or watch it again, and remember to save this video so that whenever you're confused you can always go back to it. And remember to subscribe, like, leave me a comment if this video is useful. If there's any other topic you need me to create on, let me know. Okay, wow, look at how beautiful my channel banner is. I'm so excited. I love it. Yes, guys, so that's it. Okay, I have so many accounts. We monetize people's accounts, so let me know if you're interested in our class. We're going to teach you. Look at so many accounts there, so we're going to teach you. Okay, so let me know. This is what we do. We teach people side hustles, multiple sources of income, especially women. We're more passionate about women. We teach AI video creation and all of that. So